Winton School. I'm Casie. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rāmere, the 11th of December.
It's Interhouse Sports Day and we will be outside all day. Everyone should sunblock up and slip, slop, slap around 10 o'clock when the UV levels are high.
We should apply 1 teaspoon of sunblock for each limb. That's 1 teaspoon for your arm and 1 teaspoon for your leg.
Everyone should wear their hats all day so their faces and ears don't get sunburnt.
The UV forecast is high to extreme from 11 until 4. So stay sunsmart. There's sunblock in the office if you need it.
Okay, Slurpers are on sale today by the barbecue, $1 each. Wrappers in the bin.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is potae, which is te reo for hat.
As in, wear it all day, koutou.
Birthday news. Kenny Hart turns 7 today.
Tomorrow, Rebecca Torrey is 12 and Ella Leith is 10.
And on Sunday, Riley Chapman is the big 8.
Ra whānau kia koutou. Happy birthday, everybody.
And that's it for the week. From us all here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a te Wiki.
Haere rā, Winton School.